Hi, I'm Mahalaxmi Ramakrishnan. I'm pursuing Black Box course in 3D and animation at Lexicon IMA, Department of Media and Animation, formerly known as Lexicon IMA. This process is not just about learning animation software, but understanding the entire creative process, from storyboarding and character design to 3D modeling and animation. We get hands-on training from week 1. Our professors are also industry experts who share their practical knowledge and passion for the field. They push us to be creative and think critically and become well-rounded professionals. But it's not all about academics. Lexicon Mile Department of Media and Animation helps us to gain real-world experience through internships with leading media and animation companies. These internships are incredible opportunities to apply our skills in real projects and build our portfolios.